7. Where is the Grand Lodge at Peak 7?
The Grand Lodge on Peak 7 is right up Ski Hill Road. So you pass underneath the gondola. We're on the left-hand side right before it goes asphalt to dirt, 1979 Ski Hill Road.
Or take that gondola.
Yep, you can take the gondola up. It's operating right now, so it's an easy way.
Take that free gondola ride. Get in at right off of Main Street in Breckenridge. Right before it turns to the south to the left, get off, and that is Peak 7. And they couldn't call it a Grand Lodge unless it was, in fact, grand.
It is grand. It's an awesome property. We have really great amenities for all ages. On-site bar and grill, on-site spa, a fitness center, an adults-only grotto, which is nice after skiing or a long day biking.
Yeah, you know, and also what makes total sense is this interval ownership, timeshare, if you will. One thing, if you like coming to Summit County and it's kind of Breckenridge is your home vacation resort. You come year after year. One thing you're sure of, the prices of lodging is going to raise. If you're going to rise, you get your foot in the door at the Grand Lodge at Peak 7. You own it for perpetuity. You can transfer it, and you don't pay taxes on it as you would a real property year round. And you just get a great place to come time and time again, or trade it out with Resort International.
Yep, we are exchangeable through Interval International. So if you own in Breckenridge, 2,600 other destinations are open for you. So maybe you ski Breck one year, the next year you want a tropical vacation, you go to the Bahamas or whatever your heart desires. But it is exchangeable. So it's
Do you have one in Gary, Indiana? I wanted to spend. I've always wanted to spend some time in Gary.
I can look. I don't know that one off the top of my head.
Because you see the Music Man Gary, Indiana. It always intrigues me.
Well, I'll look into it for you.
All right,
Keep you posted.
What is it? International Vacation?
Interval International.
Interval International. You can trade it out. Now, to take a tour, how's that work, and what are the incentives for doing just that?
Sure. So we do have a sales office downtown, so just a couple blocks from where we are right now. It's 100 South Main Street. So you can go up to the second floor there and set up a tour, or also up on property at Grand Lodge on Peak 7. Right now we are offering a $100 Visa gift card to spend in town. So all of these shops on Main Street, you can spend the $100. Yep. We also do golf at Breckenridge and Keystone Ranch, as well as Keystone River courses. So 3 courses to choose from. And then we also offer spa up on property at Grand Lodge on Peak 7. We have Soothe Day Spa, which is a full service spa.
So the tour is somewhere around 120 minutes.
Yep.
And the incentives are $100 to take that tour.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah. And we should, and another thing worthy of note is that the Grand Lodge at Peak 7 is owned by a local company. This is their 3rd or 4th amenity here in Breckenridge, and they always do a great product, and they give back to the community. I can't say enough about the Millizers and the Dudek brothers.
Yeah.
Millizers brothers and Mike Dudek. They do a great job, and they take care of the help, hire a lot of local folks, and it really is. It is a thriving organization in our community that does give back. Do they give back to you?
They do give back. They're great to work for.
Are they okay letting you train for your triathlon? Because you have a triathlon coming up.
They encourage it.
Do they really?
Yeah, it's really nice to be
Okay,
part of
well,
that.
good luck with that. And
who's
your competition? Who do I know that you're going to be gunning for?
A couple of the girls that I work with. I'm
Really?
not sure. I haven't really, until yesterday, really announced that I was doing a triathlon because I was a little afraid of who might be my competition. So I'm not sure yet.
Well, you know what? I can probably help you because I've trained with some of these pro cyclists. Yeah.
I'm not at that level. As long as I finish, I'll be happy.
Well, no, I'm talking about chemicals. I think I can enhance your performance.
Well.
All right, trust me. All right, the Grand Lodge at Peak 7. You'll be glad you did. Just check this out. The number's on the screen. Take that free gondola ride up right to the base of Peak 7. Get off and check out the property, the amenities, and also the service. It's just I can't say enough about these places. We'll be back with more. You're watching Summer Sunrise. Stay with us.